well. I'm Bhagya. So, today I am going to do a craft. The topic name is tulip flower. So, first of all, we should need a gum art paper, scale, pencil, scissors, glue, sketch pen and color pencil. So I will show an example. Only example. This I draw. This we are drawing like this tulip flower. So first of all, we should need a A4 size paper and we should draw 4 lines with scale. So let's start. Okay. So we should need a gum art paper. I already told you. We can choose any color. Now I am choosing purple. We should take a gum art paper and we should fold it. I took it and I should fold it. The white part should not be seen. The white part. So I am looking. Yes. Okay. It should be correct. No white part. Look. It should be like this. And we should fold it again. We are folding it again. Okay. And we should cut it. You should be very, very careful, okay? When you are cutting, there will be a line, right? When we are folding the paper, that time, that line you should cut it. Okay? So, 2 I got. Now, next here. I open it. Now, again I should cut. You can take 3, 4. How much tulip flower do you want? You can take. If you want multicolor also you can take. I only want one color, so I am taking only one color. I only want 3 tulips, so one I am taking here. Okay, so one. Okay, we should fold it like this. This part, right? This part, we can took it like this. Okay. Okay, and now here I'll cut it like this. Okay. Okay, now this much I know. Now this part, we will fold it. We should fold it. Now this part, it should be correct. Okay. Okay. So when we finished, so other we should do like the same way. Okay, so my 3 tulip flowers are ready. Now I should stick it and I should make the stems, flowers, butterflies like that. So first of all we should need a glue and we should stick the back side only. You should not stick this area, the inside part. That in that beauty, right? That will go. So first one I glued, and I am sticking it center of the part. Center. If you need 4, you can do 4. I don't need 4. I am taking only 3. I am sticking it side. Side. And here also I am going to put it. Okay, so it should be like this. I put like this. If you need 4, you can do 4. Okay, multicolor also you can add. And now we should need scale and pencil. Scale first. We should draw a line lightly, only lightly. Okay. So we should draw the outline with sketch pen or so. Like this you can see. Okay. Now after coloring I will show you. So the final part. So here green. Okay, everyone should try and comment how is this activity. Okay, bye.